Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Launchpad. Hope we're all good. How is it going?
Supercharged Sunday
We're all good. How is it going?
afternoon here in Vancouver. It's going good for us here in Vancouver.
All right. I think we're gonna start immediately. Yeah. Promise. Welcome everyone.
Mm.
Immediately. Promise.
Yeah, check 1, 2. You hearing me, right? Are you hearing me?
We can hear you. Promise. Continue.
Okay, okay. So welcome, guys. Today is our TribeMingle first launch pad. We have a lot of things in store. More of interactive sessions, creating pain point and solving, um, of course, constant SME issues and problems in the market. We are here to help our customers understand how they can scale, organize their business, and be able to juggle everything in one place. Prince, let's pick one of the first topics today.
All right, everyone. Yeah. If you can hear us very clearly, please give us a thumbs up on the chat. Make sure you're hearing us from the stream clearly. Yeah. So I promised today we're going to be discussing diving as the launchpad. Launchpad is where for TriMingle where you come and learn how to utilize TriMingle tools for your business and all the stuff basically. So today we're looking at service-based businesses. So we're going to look at how TriMingle can help you as a service-based business to get your tools, the tools you need to run your business smoothly. So we want to empower you with all the tools you need to get your business running. So yeah, I hope you enjoy today's session. Relax, feel free, get join us as we dive into this stream today. Believe by the end of this stream, it's going to be an impactful one, and you're going to know how to, scale your business, how you can scale your business, and all those stuff. All right, Promise, do you want to say anything before we kick off?
Yeah, looking at what is happening in the African SME, we have a lot of things that we can actually do for them. People these days stress with a lot of technical abilities, how to juggle things in this 21st century. But with what we're trying to do with TribeMingle, we're going to make it easy and faster for them and easier for them to understand how they can actually scale and make more and create more global customers. Payments is going to be now be something we call seamlessly done, just plugged in your account and you can be able to make payments. You can strategize even how to split payment. You can also create like a branded invoice, for your company. Like African 21st century SMEs these days has to be organized and create, more income and scale faster without having to struggle with having access to the, digital tools they need to scale. So we are here for those things and we're here to help. And we're going to be able to discuss on 3, 5, 6 pinpoint as time might take us, then we can discuss. And we are open also from any of our audience, any questions they want to ask, we're here to answer.
All right, cool, cool. Thank you, promise. Do you want to just tell us one of the pain points we'll be tackling today, for these service-based businesses? So as we dive in, people know what we are dealing with, so that you can understand where we're getting to. Maybe we'll look like the three or four pain points that African SMEs face in their business. How TribeMingle can help you solve that.
So people struggle a lot with booking and payment, you know. So now, with 21st century, if you are not organized, you're going to miss a lot of payments. We don't want to give your potential customers opportunity to be given excuses. So with these tools, we're going to show them we can make those excuses to go away by creating systems in place that can automate. You can now schedule things. You can now be more organized. You can now be able to send repeated messages to a potential client that is owing you. So and it can now be branded but like with your company logo and names and automated. That's even been there, right? So this is what we're going to be doing for African SMEs. So looking at people who just have maybe let's say X amount of customers, 1,000, 2,000. They don't even know all these customers and they can forget things as human being. But having these guys documented, automating the process of payment. Even if you are not there, you will know that something is, making sure that your payment is coming. We call those things recurring income. So we want to digitalize recurring income for African SMEs so that they don't lose any more, you know, payment from customers. So do you want me to list the five things we're focusing on, or you just want me to do it bit by bit?
No, we can just list it then as we flow. We just continue
Okay.
basically.
So we're going to talk about visibility strategies also as a business owner, service provider. How do you want to be seen? You know, with TribeMingle, with the team we have, our support system, we can create system, assess where you are in your business, your current state and future state, and assess how you want to be seen. If you want to be seen intercontinental visibility or global visibility. So we have all these things in store. Also have client management. You know, how do you manage relationship between your customers? TribeMingle can also help you and do all these things. With the, of course, artificial intelligence like revolution, automation is very important also. So we are here to also help you, be able to understand those processes without you needing to think a lot. Because one of the things potential even current business owners encounter is just they don't want to spend time thinking technical things that will scale up their business. But we try to go simple process where it's a system that is working for you. We want the tools to work for you, not you physically exerting a lot of stress on yourself. Your workforce has to be reduced. Tools are not going to be working for you with the AI revolution. So that's basically that.
Awesome. So let's dive into it. Let's dive into it. We're going to be it's going to be in the next few minutes. Hopefully that will help you as a service business here, whether you're a restaurant owner, you have
Salon,
barbers,
tailor,
teller, or
almost all.
so we're going to help you, give you the tools that you need to help you automate your processes. All right, awesome stuff, awesome stuff. So let's dive into it. Let's dive into it right now.
So as a
Okay.
business owner, let me even ask you, you being the technical guy, let's say I have my physical store, I'm struggling to find a way to get online visibility. What are the first few things you think I should be thinking?
All right, cool. So, as a business person, one of the first things you need to be thinking about is how can you let's say you have a salon, for example. How can I automate my booking process because you want customers to come in, right? How can I automate my booking processes? How can I automate my payment collection? How can I be visible, let people know me, see my product, see what I'm doing online? And how can I remove those headache or follow up, follow making sure customers have paid their invoice, making sure that appointments and all that we don't have double bookings and all those information, reducing no shows and all that's what you have to be thinking about. So that's what we want to here to help you, to show you some of the things you can do to automate these processes.
Okay, that's good.
All right, let's dive into it. So I'm right now, if you can, yeah, I'm right now on the dashboard for TribeMingle, depending on your account. Once you land on your dashboard, this is your dashboard. That's what you're seeing. So yeah, today we're looking at a service-based business. We're going to look at some of the things you need, basically. So let's start with you need to collect payments, right? So you need to automate your invoice processes and all those information. If you're a physical store that collects invoicing, so once you go to your account, you go to payments. So on this payment, this is where you see all your invoicing, all invoicing, something that's happening on your account, all those information that you need. Basically, I have some test invoice that I've created and all those information.
Okay.
So this
Yeah.
is where you can now come here and set up your invoice. You can automate your configure your invoice how you want your invoice to look like. You can put your logo, email configurations. You can set up your email. How do you want your email to be sent? You can even go to title and layout. This is where you now set up the layout of your invoice. You can now customize this information to look your brand color, how you want it to look like, all this information can be customized easily as simple. So the invoicing system, because you can also collect payment directly from your invoice. Let's say you have business, you have people that you need to send invoice to and they pay you. This can be automated. So all this process have been done for you.
And,
TribeMingle,
and we can still use this for cash on delivery, right?
everything you need to do, you can do that.
So
People
can you even explain a little bit in a nutshell what cash on delivery is for a physical store owner?
So
Using
for a physical owner, you can cash on delivery is where you people don't pay online, but they pay when the product is delivered or when you come to deliver the product, basically. So they pay you, so you can collect the money by cash or you can collect the money by invoice, by POS payment and all this information, basically. So that's what you can have cash on delivery. But why trying to help you record those recordings, do your transaction and see the recordings have been done for you, basically. Yeah.
so that shows something very important. Financial records. People these days now are valuing the importance of financial records, and everything being done through TribeMingle is safe for you, and you can have access to it at any point in time for any type of financial statements and be able to know how your financial statement is either growing or not growing, or it can help you strategize in terms of data analytics too. So TribeMingle is a full-scale, comprehensive platform that can help any small business at any point in time grow within their own pace.
Awesome. Yeah. So cool. Yeah, that's how you set up your invoicing, your logo. You can change the payment settings, determine uh uh invoice due date, how many maximum day you do want to allow partial payments on your invoicing, maximum percentage to be paid at each invoice, basically. So if you want let's say you are allowing partial payments and you want people to pay this the amount I wanted to pay at mass. Let's say you want them to pay minimum is 100, minimum is 10%. So that when they put any amount that is less than 10%, the system will not allow them. You can even charge late fees. If you want
That's
to collect late fees on let's say people who doesn't make the payment, you want to charge them late fee, you can turn on that and put the percentage. You can manage the percentage on each one when you want to create an invoice. You can also allow tips. People can allow tips. You can allow tips, tipping system. Maybe tipping is when someone give you something for your service well done. So you can do that. You can set up the tipping 5%, 10%. And once you save all this information, it will be on your invoice. Let's go and just, you can also do your product configuration. You want to import the product descriptions, reminder settings. These are done for you automatically. You can see the reminder settings. You want to remind users invoice reminders when the invoice is due. The system will automatically send the invoice for them. Let me show you a preview
that's
of
wow.
invoice.
I want to see that. I want to see how that looks.
Yeah, this example of the preview, you can customize this invoice, change whatever you want to do, how you want it to look like, and all this is done for you, basically. So let's say we want to preview this. You see a preview of how this will look like on the person's um is how it will look like when the person wants to the invoice is sent to them. Remember, you can customize all the things the way you want it to look like, basically. So we have the invoice reminders, we have different the reminders remind people all in one reminding. You have different if you want to reminder one, reminder two, remember three, reminder three. You can add different reminders according to what you're looking for. You can even add custom values. Let's say you have some values you want to add on your invoice that is not part of the basic plans. You can do that. And notification, this is where comes very powerful. So you
That's,
want the system to notify, yeah, to notify your business, your customers,
yeah.
automatically An
Because
invoice.
sometimes customers want to forget, you
Yes.
know. So
Yeah.
with what we have now, that can send multiple notifications to remind a customer you have to make your payment. You have to do this.
Yes, you can do the automated notification. This is automated, so you don't need to do anything. Like you just can customize this invoice received. This is how it look like when someone received an invoice. Hello, the system will preview all this thing with the customer's information. So you don't need to do. Let's preview and see how. So the customer, hi, you have invoice have been sent to you. Please, can you make the payment? And all that. We can even do all this. You have estimate. Basically, you do with estimates and all those invoice paid
That's
fair payment. You can do the auto payment information, amount charge, and all those information. You can do that basically.
that's
So
very
yeah, amount payment failed and all those information. So yeah, that's the invoice notification. You can also have team notification to notify you when anything happens and invoice is received. The system can notify you and all those things. So this is what just trying to come to the invoice to show you a little bit of the
yeah.
invoice. So you
That's
can create
very
a new invoice.
mhm.
This is where you can customize your invoice basically. When you want to create an invoice to send to a customer, you can select the customer you want to send it to, put the business name, your invoice number. You can add your product, select the product. Remember, you can create unlimited products on Tribe. Product can be physical, digital, or services you render. It can be you're selling a physical product. It can be a service you're rendering hair salon services. Maybe you have a massage, spa massage, different type of massage things you do, anything. It can be physical, digital, or services you render. Basically, you can add them here. This way you can set up the charge late fee. You can put a flat fee. When the person doesn't pay this amount, you will charge to them percentage of remaining amount. Maybe charge 1% of remaining amount, or give the grace period, include tip, and all those information. Basically, so yeah. Let's just do a quick one. Let me add and let's preview this invoice quickly. I'll just select some of the dummy product. You see how it looks like as we are building it up here. See how you have the pay button is here automatically. You can add your terms and condition. You can put a flat fee. Let's say
Is this gonna demonstrate how to automate booking and payment, right?
yes, we're gonna do that now. We're gonna go back to this is for invoice if you want to collect physical invoice and all those stuff. But let's go to bookings. So let's go to the calendar. This is where you now do the booking stuff basically. So we want to, as a service business, we want to show you how you can book your process, how you can automate your bookings. So you render different services. You have different hairstyle you do. You have different spa. You have different spa services you give. You have different stuff you do. You can do your services. So let's go. When you get to calendar, you can go to calendar settings right now on TribeMingle. Let's go to calendar service settings. Remember, you can create different type of calendar, but we want to do we're a service-based business right now, so we want to do a service-based calendar. So this is where you now start adding your services. So let's say the service one. Let's create a new service, for example. Promise. Let's. What do you think? Let's do this for a barbering salon, right?
Yeah,
Let's do
yeah.
it.
Just say JBS Barbing Salon.
All right. So let's say service name. Let's call this one foot trim.
Food trim, okay.
You can choose any color. You can categorize them if you want to put any category. If you don't mind. I'll say this is a full trim service. Remember, you can do all this thing. And if you have staff member, listen on your you have different staff members that needs to render this service. You have this staff member that is doing this basically. So, but let's say if so you go as a salon now, a hairdressing or barbering salon. So you have different staff workers working on the day. So you can so that you set calendar for each person, booking for each person, so that once someone if person is booking on the calendar on your service booking, they can select the person they want to render the service to. Let's say a customer have a particular person they want to render service, and they can check the time for the person and they can come in and book that person basically.
Yeah.
So that's what this help does. You can select the person you want basically. So I'll select promise, for example, for this person. Select promise for this one. Then I'll put in the name, the price. Let's say this is 2,000 naira, and the duration for this one. Let's say this is 1 hour. The service is 1 hour. Let's put 1 hour. Is here? We don't want to make it a private service. We just add this service. This is the first one we added. See the service is here. Let's add another one. This 1 hour, 2,000 naira. Let's add another service here. Let's call this. full body massage, right? If you have any question, just drop it on the chat. We'll see it and we'll answer your questions. I can select a color. You can change the color you want to give. Let's say this is the color for this service. This helps you on you see how it looks like on your booking calendar. We say this is full body massage, and we select, let's say this one is for me. I don't want to do massage here, and we say this is 3,000 naira. And you know that two people can I can also add promise to this. Say promise is part of the person that do body massage, and we say is 1 hour here for the full body massage. Let's do this 2 hours for the full body massage, and we add the services. So now we have two services added right now. So we have two services on our booking calendar. We can have these two services right now currently. So what do we do now? We can add resources. Let's say um, you have different resources you want to. Resources are like activities you want to add a part of the service they are entering. Let's say you have, for example, people want to learn nail trimming and all those stuff. You can add that as part of the service. You can even add add-ons. Let's say people can book. Let's add another add-on. Let's say, for example, this is uh, nail cleaning. I will say if you want to add nail cleaning is 1,000 naira, and duration, let's say maximum one point. People can book one point in the maximum for that.
Even promos, people can do promos too.
Yeah, you can do a lot of all this from all these things now. And yeah, you can now this is where you can manage your staffs. You can add different staff members depending on what you're looking for. Add staff members. This is where you can manage the resources you've added. This is where you can add on locations. If you have different office location, physical locations, you do your business, you can add multiple locations and link this into different locations. So yeah, let's now go back to the booking page. You can now this is where you can now customize. If you go to global settings, this is where you can customize your booking page, how you want it to look like, the view and all those information. You can preview the booking page, the payment system. This is where we have you can online payment, pay in person or card on file only. You can even decide to hide payment method on the chat on the general settings. But let's say we want to collect online payments, and let's go to service settings. We've already done that. Yeah, we confirm auto confirm new appointment messages. Remember this thing we've set up our invoice and all this thing. All this thing will handle automatically. Once someone books in, an invoice is tested automatically. Their
Everything is
receipt
automated.
automated automatically. Don't need to do any other thing here. Again, uh, let's. I think we are good here. We can now go and view our. If you click here to view your but I want to do something quickly. Let's go to payment settings right now. I want to accept uh, online payment. I wanted us to accept. Let's go to additional. I think that's okay. Yeah, let's look at notification first, then we can come back to that. So notification, this you see how your notification, this is where you can customize the notifications. This is apart from automation where you can handle, but this one right now you can customize appointment booking confirm. You can what you want them to be sent an email, in SMS, cancellation, reschedule, reminder, follow up. You can enable all this information. You can even add your allow Google and Outlook, sync your Google Calendar together, so everything will work seamlessly together. Basically, we'll have all those things set up for you. Basically, so yeah, we are good here. We have three services here. We have our staff, we have our resources, we have our add-on, we have locations, we have our general settings. The payment is set up already. We have that set up. We are collecting online payments. Pay in person. We don't want to hide this information, so we want to just do. You can turn this to live. We don't want to turn it to live. We want to do a test payment right now. So let's do that quickly, and let's view our. If you click on here to view your, let's go and view our booking calendar. So yeah, you can see the booking calendar right now. This is all the service I've added. Now you see the system or created this thing for you. So you can now link your customers to this place. Now you have your own booking calendar customized with your logo, with everything, the services you render. You see, I have Let me go back and delete this service that I had initially, so that we don't let's go to my services, so we just have the ones we created right now. We'll remove this one. Let me delete this one here. Yes, I'll delete this service right now. So I've deleted that. So let's go back to our page, our service page, and refresh our page right now to see. So yeah, if you are two services, we have services we have right now here for open. If I open now, if people can come here, your customers will come here now. If you have a category, they can filter by category, they can sort, and they can even search a service that you render, and they can now go to a particular one and book a calendar. This is where it looks like. This is how your customers can now book, collect the full body massage. This is the one they are booking, and they can now make the payment. This is the information they are looking for. All those information, payment. You can now continue. If you continue this way, they now schedule the time. Remember, you have to select the distance, to select the time they want to book, put up the select the time, add the information you want to collect from them, and voila. If you can even offer coupons and all this information, and they can make appointment and they book. How easy is that? That's so straightforward. Promise. Do you have any
Ama-
comments?
Amazing, amazing. It streamlines the process. It makes everything easy. Like connect everything and automate it, and you're getting your booking and your payment like all sync in one place. So that's amazing.
Yeah.
So do you want us to talk about personal branding and visibility strategies for service providers?
Yes,
Or
we do that quickly. Yeah. So this is how you can automate these processes, your booking, someone come here, you can see how we seamlessly have all our services that we do here. You come in here, people can come and search. They book, they can know that if you want to learn more, they can notice the full body massage, the information, they can come here and book, select the distance they want, the location will be there, date and time. Once they click on continue, they select the date and time they want, depending on the availability you added, and they can now book your calendar. There's a lot of things you can do here. And yeah. So yeah, let's
and
go
this
to,
can actually be done. Let me even say something, Prince. Like
yeah.
this can actually be done by you plugging this on your platform, on your website. You know, this can just be plugged into your website. Let's say
Yeah,
you have
you
yeah,
can just copy. If I go back to, let's go back to, you can just copy the link to the service calendar and attach it to your website anyway. Once someone click on that button, if you already have your website, but don't worry, if you don't have a website, TribeMingle covers you. Will show you how you can build your
exactly.
service calendar website easily. So, but if you have a website, just copy the link and put on the button. When someone clicks on the button, they show it takes them to this place, and they can make their bookings. And all this is automated. The customer that booked the appointment receive a email confirmation, follow up reminders. They make the payment. You can even add partial payment, so you can people, if you know, one of the tools, that one of the things that we have, that will allow you to collect partial payment, in the sense that you can collect a small amount of the service fee before the people come. This will help you reduce no show. Some people might book appointment that will not show up, but when you put, people book having to pay 10% of the service fee before they come in, that way you can generate more revenue, you can reduce no show, and help you improve your, revenue. Yeah. All right.
That's good. That's a good one. Amazing. Nice one. Nice one.
Yes.
Amazing. Amazing.
Okay, so let's now go to, if you go to, let's go back to the site. Now this is where you can, now let's brand you, for example, a service. Maybe you need
Yeah, I want to even talk about this approach, because looking at what is happening right now, service providers, and as a business owner, it's not just about owning store. As a lawyer, it can also be like a service provider. Now, when we're talking about branding, personal branding, business branding, how can we even separate those two people, right? Now, in 21st century, as a doctor who is a specialist, let's say a gynecologist, you need to brand yourself so that your services will be visible to people who are actually going to need that, those services. So this is where Tribe will come in. All your social media platform all can be in one place. Your blog, your community, and so on and so forth. So now, whatever you do becomes valuable. And when people come to book or come to your platform, they have an extra added value to whatever you're doing. So you're not separate from your competitors. right? So this is what we do in TribeMingle. Scale your visibility and give you an added value in things you are doing so that you're going to have global um, customer opportunity and your value is going to be now be, you know, be worth more than what it used to be before. So
Yeah.
basically, it's what we do in TribeMingle. So let's do like something like a demo, how we can create a brand, connect a community, a blog, or be able to show how they can become more visibility to potential customers.
All right, let's start by let's go to once you are still on your Triangle account, we'll go to site right now, we'll go to website. Let's create a website. You remember you can create with AI or you can create from templates. Let's just show you some of the templates you already have because we already want to make things easy for you as a service-based business, as any person, uh, both service-based business, whether you're a creator, whether you are, but today we're focusing on service-based businesses. Whether you have a gym, whether you're a spa person, you can go here and search for different. Let's say we're looking for health and wellness. You can see here we have holistic health person. If I preview this, for example, you see how we can preview and see those information. Let's say let's choose another one.
Okay.
Let's go to another niche, for example. um let's look for what do let's okay, since we are talking about spa, let's continue with spa.
Okay.
Remember, you can customize all these things and make it feel and look the way you want it to look like on your side. Basically, I'll refresh my page quickly so we get the Fuji's here. I'll go to this here. Let's close this one here. Alright. So let's say you can let's search for a spa. For example, we have some of these spa templates. You have professional built templates. Maybe okay, let's say you're a cleaning agency, you have cleaning services you do. Basically, you can preview this and see how it will look on the website. So you can decide now to choose this one and let's customize it and make and feel the way you want it to look like. So we have unlimited 1000 plus templates for you to choose and start building from immediately. So let's just choose this one. Let's preview this one, for example. This is for spa. Let's preview this and use this. Let's choose this template.
So that means as a business owner, service provider, it can change your template colors at any point in time, however you want.
You can customize anything you want. You can use AI to
As
build
you are
this thing.
paying your subscription every month.
Yeah, customize everything you have, anything. You can build unlimited website, you can build unlimited funnel, you can decide to do anything unlimited anyhow you want it to look like. So yeah, so you see now this is the template, this is your website builder. See how now you can now start if you click on anyone, you can now start changing stuff. You can decide to, if you change now, things can be changed. This is where you can customize all this information. You have styles here. If you look at the right hand side, these are different styles you can change, put information, you can change the image here. You can SEO is already done for you. You can automate your SEO and all the information. You can change your image. Select on the image. You can come here. Remember, you will have the media storage where you can change the image, select the type of image you're looking for, and yeah, you can customize everything. You can now sync. Like remember, you will book to book appointment right now for people can book appointment. So let's connect that button to that our page we just built right now, right? We just do that. So when you click on here, we say we want the button action. If you go down here, the button action, we want them to go to a website. We select the website URL. We just paste the URL here and we want it to open on a new tab and we save this. Remember, you just save here. You can put, we save that, we confirm save. So let's go and preview our website right now. Like we have different things you want to put info. You can see you have the pricing. You can edit this thing to make and look and feel the way your business run. Remove the pictures and all the information, and we have new different templates for you to use, different sessions, different things you want. If you want to add image, video, let's say you want to add video about your service on your website, you just drag and drop. It's so simple like that. drag and drop and put it up, and you're good to go, basically.
And what people even don't understand is this, that this can be customized to your phone, basically, right?
You can sorry, I didn't hear that.
It can be customized mobily. You can have access to it mobily, right?
No, this you have to build the website. You have to build your website builder is directly on there because you need a laptop. It's more of laptop based, so you need a laptop to build your website.
No,
But
no, I mean your, as in your business. Can you
yeah,
have
you can run your business from from the mobile app.
mobile
But
app?
basic things you need to run like invoicing,
Exactly.
calendar management, conversation. When people send you a message, customer relation, you can do that directly from your phone. Yeah. All right. So let's preview this. If you click on the eye icon to preview our website right now, you see the website will just like is look at how it's looking as clean as.
Yeah, very
It's so
good.
simple. You
Yeah.
can just change these images. You have a professional looking website already for you to start making your business without internet. Like less than 10 minutes, you have this connected. All this done for you. Just plug and play your informations and all those things. Like
It's like a software with a service, plugging all
everything
your
I've done
service
for you.
in one
So
place. Yeah.
if you look at the button now, we've changed. If someone click on book appointment right now, let's click on it right now. It takes us to this hour where we can. It takes us to the place where you can book appointment. You see, like everything is synced now. People can now book appointment from your directly from your website, done with your TribeMingle, everything in one ecosystem. So you don't need to start, going for different tabs. Your website is there. People book an appointment with your services you have. People can book appointments, select the calendar, automated email will be sent to them. So you don't need to follow them up. You can collect partial payment. People they receive their invoice. Once they come, you collect the full payment, and all is done for you automatically. Like automatically, invoice will be sent to them without you lifting a finger.
Mm.
Sent to them automatically. Confirmation email will be sent to them. Follow up will be sent to them once they all needs to show up, and you are good to go. Service your so we're making it easy for for SMBs, small businesses to know to run their business without your focus on running your business without thinking about managing automating all the process. Trying to automate all those process for you, basically. Yeah. So yeah, it's that simple. It's that simple. So we can even add an AI agent directly on this website to answer questions, answer customers'
Exactly.
queries on your business about your business. You can train your AI and put and chat. Let's just add the chat with it before we because we have less than uh we have few minutes for the stream for today's session. No, but yeah,
Are
we're
we
going.
gonna have time to add social planner too, so that if they're all their social media is gonna be in one place too?
Yeah, we can do that quickly and show you how social media can be there. Let's just do. We're gonna show you how you can plug a social media planner. Also, um you can plug in your chat widget on your
Chat
website.
over
How
there.
people can ask questions and AI can answer them, or you can also do live chat directly from your website, basically. So yeah, let's do that. Let's go. So let's complete this part. So we'll go back to we are now we'll go back to the page. We'll go to our chat. You're still on the site session. Remember, we have documentation for all these things. So you can come back to this video, or also we're building documentations, and we'll have a support team to help you. Whatever you're looking for, we are here to help you scale your business. So let's go to a chat widget right now, and we'll create a new chat widget about. Let's call this one. We're going to call this a live chat widget, basically about our business. So let's call it spa check. So I've created this now. So you can now customize this information. You can go to style right now. You can change the branding, change the picture of the person to anything. If change it to match your brand. Remember, see as I'm changing, you can see the bubble here is changing to match our brand, the style of your brand, your business, whatever. Let's just leave it to match this style. You can change this to the information, the message. Hi, welcome to this thing. Do you have a question? You can change this information. Greetings. You want to greet the people, the messaging, you can acknowledgement message, all those information. You can customize this into make it look and feel. If you the language, you can select the language that you want to use. chat widget, title. You can change the title, have a question. You can customize it the way you want it to look like. You can even add your business, enable business hours if you want to. If you want your chat to be closed, depending on the business hours you are into. So this is for live chat. But for AI agent, you don't need to have, you don't need to, you don't need to end. So the agent is always there, 24 hours. Your AI employee 24 hours,
Yeah.
working on your business, and you don't need to stress yourself about anything. So yeah, let's save this. We have done this. Let's just save this now. So let's go and attach it to our website. It's so simple. We've created our live chat right now. This is a live chat. We're going to also do the AI stuff, agent one. So go create our live chat. Let's go back to our website right now. We'll go back to our website. Check for the website we just created right now. This is the beauty spa. Remember, you can create unlimited website on TribeMingle with one subscription. You can create unlimited websites on TribeMingle, hosted with fast, like lightning fast, security for you. You don't need to do anything. So unlimited website, unlimited stores, unlimited everything, unlimited calendar bookings, unlimited services. Like, is it
Everything.
that sweet, right?
But if people who using the AI though, they have to pay for it as they use
So
it.
you can create AI agents, but those are they are just what we call usage-based pricing, right? So AI agent, as you pay according to use of the AI. So when people charge your AI, and it's very cheap too. So when people charge on AI, if you're not using AI, you're not paying for that. So we'll call it usage-based pricing for those ones. So you pay according to how much you use. But other things, all these things are
The
one
email
subscription.
marketing also, email marketing is a little bit different too.
So email, for email sending all those invoice and all those things. So it's pay per use. So you can buy credit. We have credit system, so you can go to your wallet and add credits. Maybe you want to add $10 or this on your credit, and you can use them for all those information. Sending of email, sending of using AI. So those are usage based pricing. But apart from that, if you're not using those things, you have full access to all those information. Your website is full access. Your one subscription give you all those things. Your subscription also give you access to all this AI and all those things. But when you use them, you have a usage based
So
pricing.
someone is asking the ads management system, you're also gonna have access to the ad system, but you pay for it too, based on your budget, right?
So you have access to the ad, you have access to ad system, yeah. You have access to ad basically. So what our ad system does is that it help you. You can without going, you don't need to go to Meta Ad and all those places to create ad. You can create ad for one place. Basically, your ad syncing your ad calendar, your ad account to your ad account on TriMingle. You don't need to. You only pay, you are the one that determines what you pay, right? From your ad distance. So we're just giving you a place for you to seamlessly create ad without the stress of the meta ad and all those information, the too much UI US stuff, but you just have a simple interface to help you plug and play your ad system basically. So but
So
your ad,
yeah, so that feature is on the growth plan, right?
yes, on group plan, yeah.
It's not on basic plan. So
Yeah.
you have to actually subscribe to the growth plan to have that feature.
And for you to run ad
Yeah.
easily directly from TribeMingle, yeah. But yeah, you still connect to your ad account, so you're the one that sets your budget and all those information you want, basically. Yeah. So yeah, let's go to our website. This is all the website I have. If you have more website, you can see I have many websites here. So let's go to beauty and spa. If we go here, we drive to settings. Once you go to settings right now, you can now go to chat widget and we'll select the chart. See here, we select the chart we want. Once we select it, and we save here. Let's wait for it. It's saved right now. So let's go back to our website and refresh the page. You see what will happen now. Voila. Can you see once you refresh the page, you see the chat widget is come up here.
Yep. It's good.
That's simple.
Mm.
People can come here now. All those hello, enter your question below and we'll say hello. Let's test it. Hello. Um, how can I book a service? Let's say how can I book a service? So the information, once you send it right now, is sent. Give me a minute, I will sign it to someone. Let's go back to our account because you can manage. Once let's go back to account and let's go to conversation. Once you land on conversation right now, you see Right now, hello, see the conversation. Everything is in one. You can have your phone can be managing this automatically. So let's reply. Hi. Let's say hi. Use this link to book. Let's take the booking link and give it to the person. You can use this link. I will paste the link and we'll send it. See what's happening right now. The person will receive that information. If you go back to our website to the place here, our chat, voila, you can see that we're responding immediately.
Yeah,
And
that's
we
good. That's
and you
good.
have these things like without no extra payment.
Exactly.
It's part of
So
it.
someone is asking another question. See,
Yeah.
that's the essence of tribing, why we are revolutionizing, African SME. So the idea of TribeMingle is to be able to create a system where your physical store can be transitioned to digital stores. Even if you have like 5, 10 different physical stores, it can be connected online, right? You now can be able to have warehouses that people can now schedule a system. People can order stuff on your platforms and you schedule delivery. So someone is asking, I have a warehouse. I'm trying to build um, platforms that can connect everything. Can I do that on TribeMingle? Yes, of course, you can do that on TribeMingle.
Yeah.
You can automate payment, booking, everything, schedule, everything on TribeMingle. You can also even plug in community and even create a feature, a system whereby not everyone is going to see you. If you want to have one-on-one meeting and stuff like that, you can do that on TribeMingle. A
Yeah.
full ecosystem for you to grow.
Yeah, we'll just be every Sunday. Launchpad is coming every Sunday. Maybe we'll be also talking about e-commerce store owners, how you can use Triangle to automate. So follow us on subscribe on our YouTube channel. Every Sunday, Launchpad is every Sunday for you to come and learn. We take each feature, we take each business, and we build around it. And see, today
Build
we're
around.
talking about the small business on SM service-based businesses. So maybe next week we'll be talking about the e-commerce store people. So come, we'll have a lot of things to give you. We're talking about creators, coaches, and all those people. How you can use it your Triangle to automate your processes. So yeah, you can see the replies automate automatically and all the information. We can even go further so that we can add when someone sends you a message, the person can receive a tune. Let's do that quickly. So that let's go back to our site and let's go to back to our chat widget and let's go and edit this one. So if we go to widget customization, let's go to messaging, I believe so, acknowledgement. All right, let's go to language, chat window, additional options. Yeah, we have a notification sound. Yeah, that is powered already. So when someone sends you a message, you have notification. You can even add concept and all the empowered by your business and all that. We give you branding. You can even change this to be powered by your business. So when someone comes in, they don't even know you're using Triangle.
So,
You will look like you're using it's only you, right? And you're cool. Like we are cool like that. We want you to enjoy
of
yourself.
course, want to make your life easy and
Yeah.
still sell and scale.
Yeah. So you can even copy, let's say you don't have your website is not on TriMingle and you want to put this on a different website. You can get the code here, copy the code and paste it on your website and you have the same process, automated process on your, let's say you're using WordPress, you can add it on WordPress and everything managed automatically for you basically. So yeah, that is that simple and is that cool. For AI agents, you can train your AI on, let's say for example, I have this AI agent here. I have trained it according to TriMingle, but we will train it to your own business, but because of time, our stream is running late. Because of time, I just want to show you how that works. So basically, your agents can talk. Let's just add this agent to our let's add this voice agent to our website, because you can create let's go back here, let's change the and let's use voice agent. Remember, you can create a voice agent, or even conversational agent, so that people can type and AI will answer those questions automatically. Because of time, you can do that automatically on Triangle. So I've changed that. Let's come back here and let's refresh this. So yeah, let's refresh that. So you can come here, you can see now have it's not changed from you can see now change from chat to voice. So let's I have remember I said I trained this on TribeMingle, so you can train it on your business and we'll have all those information for you. If you have any question, reach out to us. We'll help you set up all this. So let's just do a quick talk and call with this.
Hey, you have reached TribeMingle. How can I help you today?
Hello, I want to learn more about TribeMingle. What is TribeMingle?
TribeMingle is an all in one growth platform designed specifically for African creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses. It helps manage growth by unifying tools like websites, sales funnels, CRM, e commerce, automation, payments, memberships, and ad management, all under one platform. This eliminates the need for multiple tools, making it easier to scale and grow your brand efficiently. Would you like to know more about any specific features?
Yes, I'm a service-based business. How can I use TribeMingle?
It sounds like you're running a service based business, and TribeMingle can definitely help streamline and grow your operations. Here's how it can work for you. 1. Website and online presence. You can create a professional website to showcase your services, making it easy for clients to learn about what you offer and book your services. 2. CRM and client management. TribeMingle includes a CRM, customer relationship management, tool to help you manage client interactions, track leads, and maintain customer histories, all in one place. 3. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks like sending follow up emails, appointment reminders, or even marketing campaigns so you can focus on delivering your services. 4. Payments and invoicing. Accept payments directly through the platform using integrated African and global payment gateways. You can also generate invoices for your clients. 5. Marketing tools. Use the built in marketing tools to run ads, send newsletters, and promote your services on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google, all from one dashboard. 6. Community building. If your business involves memberships or a community aspect, TribeMingle allows you to create and manage memberships, courses, or exclusive content for your clients. 7. Ad management. Run and manage ads directly from the platform to attract new clients and grow your business. Would you like me to connect you with someone from our team to explore how TribeMingle can be tailored to your specific needs?
No, no, no. For now, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thanks for reaching out, and feel free to contact us anytime if you have more questions. Have a great day.
How cool
That's
was that?
Triangle for you, man. That's Triangle, man. We are not here to play, bro. That's amazing. I
Yeah,
love that.
so this is what you can train your AI agent to your
Love
business
that.
and everything that is done. And it answers, it takes call, book appointment, confirm anything you want to do. And you are while you are sleeping, your business is running. Like,
Exactly.
is that cool?
Yeah.
It's that simple. It's that cool. So that's what we are here for you. So if you're service-based business, if you are you have restaurant, you have barbing, you are barbing, you have a barbering salon, you are into spa, you are into makeup artist, you are event planner, all those things. Any person,
Anything
traveling
you're
is for you.
doing, anything that you do not need to do everything at the same time. Gone are those days. A lot of things can be automated with artificial intelligence, right? So
Yeah.
now, looking at what we have for the African SME, that Africa is untapped industry in everything. And what we are doing is to help each and every one of these business owners to scale and grow within their pace and not put so much personal energy in building their businesses. They can have time for family too, having automated a system that is working for them. Because this is what the world is turning into. And we want Africa to embrace this growth to grow as the world is growing too. So we are here for any questions, anything you want us to do to help you scale up, even the training. Understanding these processes is not one big technical or cumbersome task for you to understand. No, it is easy. It's consistency. For you to want to grow, you have to be able to understand those processes. Here in TribeMingle, we're going to make those processes to be seamless and easy to understand. So this is what we are here for. And like Prince said, we're gonna be doing this every Sunday by this time. Gonna keep getting better, and we're all gonna be scaling and growing together.
Yeah, thank you, Promise. Thank you, everyone that joined us today. If you have questions, reach out to us on go to trymingle.com. Ask us question. If you want to ask us question, go to trymingle.com. Ask questions. We are here to support you. We are here to help you. And sign up. We'll have 30 days free trial for you. Sign up. Let's get your business running. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead. And catch you again next Sunday. Sign up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be releasing the videos to help you and to learn more about
So,
TribeMingle.
and we
Thank
have a digital products too, a lot, over 1 million digital products. So
you. Yeah.
anything you want to do, scale, sell, we're here for you. Build your business, sell products, we're here for you. For all African SME. Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining us today. Keep an eye here. We'll have some things coming up for you guys this November. Make sure we'll have a lot of things coming up and enjoy yourself. Bye.